Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope everyone's doing well today. So let's get into the sticks really quick here. We're going to look at the Bitcoin, obviously, and then Litecoin was just a ridiculous day yesterday. We'll have a story on that one later on today as well. So let's get into the sticks here. So as you can see, Bitcoin is right now at 46,036. It is still bouncing off of that line that we created here at 44,800 roughly. It went below it a little bit yesterday, but obviously it closed above it, so that's a good sign. So that's kind of our support line right there. The 44,600 mark or 44,800 mark is our support line right now. As long as we can stay above it and continue our way up, and then obviously our resistance here is at 46,800. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. Obviously right now it looks like we're just in a regular accumulation phase. Nothing special going on. No bad news, no really good news right now. So yeah, we'll have to just keep an eye on this one, see how it continues on this week, whether or not we can break through this resistance at 44,700 or 46,800. If we can break through that, we'll be good. RSI is looking good as well. All right, let's get into Ethereum. Ethereum is still obviously toying with that resistance here. It got above it a little bit yesterday, but closed below it. It went above it again today. It's at 33.27 right now, and we bounced off of this 20-day moving average, or 50-day moving average instead, sorry. And we're just right now hovering right there at the resistance. So any signs that we can move above it will be good. Right now it's just accumulation phase as well. Does look like we have a little triangle forming here that could possibly send us up higher within the next couple of days. So I'll have to keep an eye on it. RSI is looking good as well right now. Let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano is also, bouncing off of our support that we drew here at $2.37. It went below a little bit yesterday, closed above it, however, that was good. And then it obviously went up to our 20-day moving average and fell below it. And then now it's just hovering above our resistance right now. So as you can see, we're still in this kind of accumulation phase right here with Cardano as well. RSI is looking good. It's low. It's at 45. So as long as we can stay above it, we'll be in good shape. If it falls below it and closes below this resistance at $2.38, we'll obviously have to plan for possibly going down further a little bit. But I don't see that happening, at least not yet. Litecoin, yesterday was a fun day. So yesterday, late morning, we had a story on it that Litecoin was going to be working with Walmart for processing payments. Obviously, that turned out to be a false story. A lot of outlets covered it. People jumped on it. We had a huge wick up in price on it, and then it obviously fell back down. So you see that here we hit a high of about $237 before it finally fell down back to where it is now, and it bounced off of the 200-day moving average right now, and we're above the 50 and still below the 20-day average right here. We're at $178 right now. So we're still in this kind of accumulation phase as well with it. Everything's kind of in accumulation phase. There's nothing going on really exciting in the market, so nothing to propel things forward. I think it's just accumulation right now. People are just accumulating, and then we'll have it obviously a bounce from here. Dogecoin, bounced off of the 200-day moving average yesterday at 22 cents. It is now at 23 cents, and like the other ones, it's in an accumulation phase. There's no drastic moves up and down. We'll have to keep an eye on it. RSI is nice and low, so I think once we get through this rut, we'll have probably going back up higher with all these coins here. Let's take a look at Stellar. Stellar is also bouncing off of our support line here, which we had at 31 cents roughly, 31 to 32 cents roughly. It fell below it yesterday, closed above it, and then it's above it today again. It's at 32 cents right now. So the only bad thing is that it's below the 50, the 200, and the 20-day moving averages. Don't like saying that, so we want to get above those, hopefully relatively within the next couple of days. We'll have to keep an eye on it. Solana continues to be in a downtrend, which is something that we talked about yesterday. I said that, I'd like to see a further pullback on it. And we've seen it come close to the 20-day moving average before it bounced back up, and now it's down again today. So I think we're just, people are taking profits right now. doesn't look like accumulation, at least not yet. We have a significant, obviously, downtrend on Solana, so I wouldn't be surprised if it comes back down to touch the 20-day and possibly the 50-day moving averages before we go up higher from that. And right now, the RSI is kind of high. It's right around 70, so I'd like to see that come down as well. All right, let's take a look at some of the other stocks here, the mining stocks. So HVV, Hive has actually changed over to Hive, so we'll have to take a look at that one. That's supposed to change. Let's see if we can add Hive in here. Hive, blockchain, there it is. NASDAQ. Okay. So here's Hive. Hive is now, oh wow, it's showing $4.40. Oh, probably because it changed over to, wow, it's still weird that it's at 444. All right, we'll have to take a look into it, see why it's like that. It was at 3 something yesterday. It was 309, I think, yesterday. So we'll take a look at it. Bitfarms is at 552. Pre-market, it is up 13 cents. Hut is up 5 cents pre-market to 969, and Marathon is at 36.32, so it's up 73 cents pre-market. And then Riot is flat right now, pre-market. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, the market is just in a accumulation phase right now. There's not much going on. We'll have to obviously keep an eye on it. See what happens in the next couple of days. We're still got, what, 3 more days to go in the week this week. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Buy the dips if you can. And that's all I have for you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Until then.